Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are good and healthy. Allah bless you. Always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much, viewers, for watching my all videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Suddenly, you can see, friends, in this video we are providing you most trending and cascade design crochet top decor. So viewers, please don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end. Because in this video you will see stunning and unique crochet top designs. I hope you will love these beautiful designs. Breathable crochet allows from airflow, keeping you cool. Soft crochet fabric is gentle on skin. Lightweight, perfect for warm weather or learning. Fixable crochet stitches for easy to movement. Easy care machine, washable and dryable. Unique designs, crochet patterns offer endless variety. Feminine touch, delight, lazy details. Customizable chooses yarn, weights and styles. Suitable for casual dressings and the beach wear. On trend crochet is a popular fashion trend. Confidence booster, filtering comfortable design. Relaxation crochet, repeated motion and glamming. Creativity outlet designs great and express yourself. Self-care wear, handmade feeds facial. Share handmade it with loved ones. temperature regulations, Crochet breathability adjusts to body tooth, skin health, natural fabrics, gentle on skin, posture improvement, comfortable, sportive designs. Stress leaves gleaming, meditative pressure process. Mood poster, vibrant colors, beautiful designs. SEO friendly choices, ever yarns, reduced waste, long lasting, well made crochet tops, endure, upcycle on and discarded materials. Spotting local yarns, polarized articles, handmade, reduce fast fashion, environment in tips. Types of crochet tops, twins, blouse, tank tops, sweaters, and the garments. Popular crochet stitches: single crochet, half double crochet, triple crochet, and the shield stitch. Yarn chooses cotton, wood, blended cotton, polyester, natural fabrics, bamboo, silk. Would you like to explore Spanish crochet pattern stitches or yarns? So we will share this video with your family and friends who want these types of decoration ideas. I really hope that they will love these beautiful designs. We were different people have different choices and they have different types of decor ideas. So in this video you will see different themes and trending designs. Select your favorite design then apply on your for outstanding looks. Thank you viewer for watching the video, especially for those people who searching these types of most trending designs. They will get new designs and new ideas related to your decorations. So viewer, if you love these articles and if you want more types of designs and ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon from the new and latest update. Once you press the bell icon, you receive the notifications of my recently videos. Be connected with me, friends, and remember me in your prayers. See you soon, viewers. Take care and Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe my channel.